What's up guys, I'm Siotos from the Siotos86 channel, where we do test rides, reviews, installs and more. Welcome to the first look at Resurgence Gear men's vintage A motorcycle gloves, available at resurgencegear.co.nz. So huge thank you to Resurgence Gear for sending me these gloves to review. Later on I'll also be doing a ride review where I'll be wearing them while I ride, so we can test them and I'll give you my thoughts and opinions while I'm using them for what they were meant to be used, riding. So let's unpack them, see what we're dealing with. This package in this plastic comes with the little silica gel to ensure that the gloves doesn't get moisture while they're shipping. Now it doesn't say it on the packaging, but this is the Resurgence Gear men's vintage A motorcycle gloves. It has that beautiful vintage styling, beautiful looking glove, and what I like, they come with these clippy things that clip to the packaging, which means when you take your gloves off, clip them together, they stay in one place. Now a few weeks ago when I did the Sports to S test ride review, on my way there, must have happened at a coffee shop or somewhere, I managed to lose one of my gloves. So while doing this, at least I'll be losing both or none at all. Now after that beautiful B-roll footage, let's put them on, go for a quick ride and see what we think. Oh man, that's super comfortable. That is so soft. It almost feels like you're sticking your hand into a soft little cloud. Now usually when you buy new motorcycle gloves, you have to break them in, but with these, right off the bat, super soft. My hands doesn't feel restricted at all, and I absolutely love this Velcro strap. That's so fast to attach. Now usually when you look at other gloves like my Dainises, they have this metal loop you have to pass it through first before you fasten it. So without that, super fast, super easy, super convenient. Let's get the other one on. Another cool feature is this elastic cuff. Now usually I have to leave my watch at home because it just doesn't fit under my normal gloves. With this, super elastic, super comfortable. My watch can sit under there, doesn't bother me at all. Usually with other gloves or higher cuffed gloves, it'll push your watch up and that's just super uncomfortable. I love this. At least now I can ride with a watch. Yeah, feels great, man. Let's jump on the bike, see what we reckon. So right off the bat, I have to say that these gloves feels absolutely amazing on the bike. Usually when I wear other gloves, it's hard to describe, but it feels like you're out of sync with your motorcycle. It doesn't feel like you can actually feel what you're doing, feel control over your motorcycle. With these ones, it's the total opposite. I can easily interact with all my buttons, I can interact with my gauge, and I can feel every input I make with this motorcycle, which makes me feel more in control. Right out of the packaging, I didn't find these gloves to be hard or that they really needed to be broken in. They're nice and soft. My hands has good range of motion. I don't feel restricted. With my Dainese gloves, right out of the packaging, it felt like my hands were restricted. I couldn't really reach my clutch, couldn't reach my front brake. With these, I don't feel that. It's easy to reach my clutch, easy to make inputs, and I absolutely love the feel of these. A cool feature are these elastic cuffs. Makes the gloves go on your hands easy, makes them come off easy, and it just makes for a general well-fitting glove, which is really, really comfortable. Another cool feature are the inserts on the sides of your fingers. which keeps the glove nice and ventilated, lets in enough air to keep your hands from getting sweaty. And to be honest, it's hard for me to decide if these are summer or winter gloves, because it's cool enough to keep you cool in summer, and it's warm enough to get you through those chilly mornings or those chilly rides. So for me, nice dual purpose glove, I can use it in all conditions. I absolutely love the padding on these gloves, will keep you nice and safe when you go down. Love these hard knuckle inserts, awesome for cracking some skulls. Now these gloves aren't too expensive, they come in around the same price I paid for my Dainese gloves, which is about 169 or 179 New Zealand dollars, which is really not that expensive. For the comfort and the level of protection you get, I reckon this is well worth paying that. I'll just quickly pull in here, get myself something to drink. Comes off nice and easy. Love that velcro, love that elastic band. And yeah, no leathery bits. Goes on super easy with these elastics. I have to say, I simply love the feel of these gloves. Now every product has a negative, and I have to say for these gloves, they do absolutely nothing for helmet beard. So first thoughts on these Resurgence Gear vintage AIM motorcycle leather gloves. Absolutely love them. Out of the packaging, nice and comfortable, great fit, offers great protection, great value for money. Obviously love that vintage styling of it, will never go out of style, it'll look good no matter what motorcycle you ride. Awesome ventilation, ample protection and padding for when you go down. Now if you guys want to pick up a pair of these gloves, I'll put the link down in my description. Check out the website, check out the gear, great company, great value for money, offers superior protection. I want to say a huge thank you to Resurgence Gear for sending me these gloves to review. I absolutely love them, and I reckon this will become my everyday riding gloves. I want to thank you all for watching. I'll see you soon with more content. Until then, ride safe, God bless, and I'll see you on the other side.